Hello viewers, 4DIYers here with another tutorial video for everyone. In this particular video here, I'll be doing a demonstration on how to clean and protect corroded battery terminals in your vehicle. Over time, battery terminals can become corroded, and this can lead to many problems such as an improperly charged battery, slow starting, low output power so the engine can't turn over, and random electrical malfunctions. At the end of the video, I will also be giving a product giveaway. Corrosion is shown with a green and white crusty buildup on the terminals. Links to these products used in the video will be included in the description below. Start by locating the battery in your vehicle, which is typically under the hood but can also be found under the rear seat or in the trunk area. This procedure should be done when the vehicle is off. It's also important to wear safety glasses and latex gloves for additional protection. As you can see, there is some corrosion on the battery terminals. Use a rag to cover up any areas you're worried about that may be damaged. For this, I am covering up the edge of the fender. Here I am using a cleaner from Keg Laboratories Val-U series, which can be used on electronic and mechanical components. The model number for this is DDW-V611. This product evaporates fast and is also safe on plastics. This will help wash away any grease, oil, dirt, and even corrosion. Spray both of the terminals and give them a light clean using a small wire brush. This will help remove any contaminants, but not all. The next step, both terminals need to be disconnected. Using the correct size wrench or socket, loosen the nut or bolt on the clamp. Start with the negative terminal first. This will help reduce the risk of shorting out your wrench or ratchet on the body of the vehicle. Now remove the positive terminal. The terminals should be labeled on the battery. Positive will be a plus symbol and negative will be a negative symbol. Push the terminals off to the side. Spray the battery post using a cleaner. Wash away any contaminants. Using a wire brush, clean each of the battery posts. While there is specialty wire brushes available for this that wrap around the battery post, I find it isn't needed. A small wire brush can achieve great results and clean the area sufficiently. Do this for both of the terminals. Using the cleaner to wash away any contaminants and wipe clean with a rag. Moving on to the battery clamps, give them a spray using the cleaner. Here I am using a round wire brush, which is a little more efficient to clean the clamps. Simply rotate it inside each of the clamps to remove any dirt or corrosion. If you weren't able to clean the outside well enough while they were in place, do so now using the wire brush. Give the clamps a final spray using the cleaner and wipe dry. Next, to provide a protectant, this product is also from Keg Laboratories. This is the DeoxIT battery cleaner and protectant. This not only provides a protective layer, but also contains D100L, which improves conductivity and removes corrosion. Using the supplied brush, apply a light coat to the battery post. Next, install the battery terminal clamps, starting with the positive terminal. Ensure it's tight and try not to put excessive twisting pressure on the battery post. Now connect the negative terminal. Apply another light layer to the outside of the terminal, which will provide additional protection. Now for another example, place a clean rag over the area as a protectant. Spray down each of the terminals using a cleaner to remove any contaminants. Next, clean the terminals using a wire brush. Wash away any contaminants. Disconnect the terminals using the appropriate size wrenches or socket. Start with the negative first, and then remove the positive terminal at the last. Spray the battery post using the cleaner. Using a wire brush, clean the post. The post should be somewhat shiny when done. Spray the battery post using the cleaner. Wash away any contaminants. Next is clean the battery clamps. First starting with using the cleaner. Use a regular wire brush on the outside and then the round wire brush on the inside. Give them a final spray to remove any contaminants and wipe dry. Using the battery cleaner and protectant, with the supplied brush, apply a light coating to the terminals. Reinstall the clamps, first the positive and then the negative. And finally apply another light layer of battery cleaner and protectant to each of the terminals. As for the contest giveaway, you must be a subscriber, one winner will be picked, and you will receive a DeoxIT battery cleaner and protectant. Due to the shipping policies, this is only open to US residents. In order to enter, you'll need to follow the link in the video description, enter there, and there are various options to increase your chances of winning. A winner will be picked 2 weeks from today, so please be sure to keep an eye out on your emails, and I'll also do a follow-up post on Instagram and Facebook. New videos are released every week on my channel. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button. It's a huge help to me, and leave a comment below if you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to follow my social media pages such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to keep up to date with my latest projects. And if you're not a subscriber, be sure to also hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.